Gosforth Park Nature Reserve, a hidden gem on the outskirts of Newcastle and one of the region's longest standing nature reserve, managed by the Society since 1929, is under threat. We need your help to say no to Persimmon Homes in their attempt to build 217 starter homes on the boundary of the reserve. The Natural History Society are objecting to this development on myriad grounds, because the proposed plan flies in the face of North Tyneside Council's own commitments to safeguard biodiversity and strategic wildlife corridors, but also because the land at the heart of this development is designated for employment use, meaning that housing is a totally unsuitable use of the site. There is also the prospect of increased footfall, trespass on the reserve, which would see a rise in vandalism, arson and damage to fragile habitats within the SSSI. Cats and dogs would bring further pressure to the site, cats through direct predation of birds and small mammals within the site, and dogs through disturbance to deer and other vulnerable mammal species.
Well, I've been a warden here for approximately 30 years, but over that 30 years I've seen the impact of local development around the site, the impact of noise pollution, light pollution, which is a serious problem for the SSSI, as it is a very important site for invertebrates. And with the urbanisation of the area, obviously there's less resources for wildlife, which means there's a compression of the area that's useful to wildlife, which means the impact on that is going to start really affecting the sustainability of the ecology of this site.
This really is a key habitat for important species that us as conservationists or aspirational conservationists want to maintain and keep this for future generations to come.
Gosforth Park for me is relaxation after a hard day's work. I come down, I have like 8 hours worth of work. I come down in here, walk around for like half an hour, and that's it. It kind of just de-stresses and kind of like just makes you feel more relaxed, and then you head home for your tea. It's a nice feeling.
There are a number of things you can do to get involved and support Gosforth Park. First and foremost, you can object using the North Tyneside Council's planning portal. You can also write to your MP or councillor and show strong objection to the scheme. Tell them exactly why you feel Gosforth Park should be safeguarded for future generations. Furthermore, you can follow the Society on social media and stay up to date with the latest campaign news for potential events in the future and more opportunities to make your voice heard.
Say no to Persimmons!